Hey guys, CrightonsTricks here, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to refill your Zippo. Two things you're going to need is your Zippo, for one, and some Zippo fluid. You can get this pretty much at any hobby shop, so it's only like $5. First thing you want to do is just open your Zippo and take out the insert. This is the insert. Then with your case, this has a child safety lock on it, so just take the tip of your case and get the nozzle. Now that I got the nozzle open, I want to take the cotton that is on the insert and pull it back. So it's going to look like this. And then you're just going to want to take your Zippo fluid and just lightly spray until you see it getting like moist. Don't overfill it, because then that will cause your Zippo to catch on fire, which happened to me before. I accidentally threw it across the room. So yeah, you'll see when it's full. Mine's full right now. And what you're going to do is just put it back in the case, close it, and just shake it. This will cause the fluid to go to the wick, to burn the wick. You're just gonna keep shaking it. You should be here, you'll hear it splashing around now. Let's get rid of the water. There we go. Well, guys, that's how you pretty much just refill your Zippo. And send a request and I'll show you how to put a new flint in it and a wick. Wick's harder. Flint is easy. Everyone that has common sense should know how to change the flint. Well guys, this has been CrightonsTricks. I showed you a trick last time, so I'll be doing a trick tomorrow. Peace.